Hi guys, welcome back to Scylla's Stuff and Things. Today we are doing a grocery haul, so let's go in here and let's get shopping. First things first, gotta mask up. Okay, I have to know, are you getting mask to color coordinate with your outfits? Like it's an accessory at this point. You know, I kind of like to do that. For this shopping trip, I'm actually going with no list. I have things I know I need to get. I'll get those, but we're just gonna kind of wing it. So let's see what we find. I'm not even sure if you guys know, maybe you do. I used to be a ship shopper. Like, I love grocery shopping. It's one of those things. Hate laundry, love grocery shopping. It's so funny to think like a few years ago when we had the shop that I did that as well. So I don't know, little fun fact, I kind of know where almost everything is in the store, even though this Publix is different. Like I never shopped at this one because we lived in a different house, but ship shopper, I did it for a long time and I would do so many shops a week when I was working as a ship shopper when the kids would be in school. And then I would do some weekends, but not very often. But yeah, that's when I was staying home with the kids. And so I would do that during the day while they were at school. And Asa was at the shop once we got help at the shop. So fun little fact about Priscilla Moss. I'm not just a makeup YouTuber. I've done lots of things. I've also been a warehouse manager for a transportation and logistics company. I did that for 5.5 years when we first moved here. And I loved that job. It was just fun, but I actually quit that job to stay home with Abigail. So fun little facts about me. Here's my helper. He came to help me. Oh, we're both vlogging.
Oh, hi. Doing one of those grocery haul videos?
I am. But I was telling how I was a ship shopper at one point, and so I love grocery shopping.
You do enjoy it. It's kind of weird.
Yeah.
And you try to drag me along. It's like...
I know.
It's like when I take you places that I like to go, but you don't like going.
I know, and he never wants to go with me. I really want you to go.
You want to go to Best Buy?
Nope.
See?
But I do go. All right, let's get these groceries inside. And I brought lunch. Pub subs. All right, guys, I have 15 minutes before I have to leave to take the dog to the vet. So let's get this show on the road. Cheese. Gotta have all kinds of cheese. Asa has Munster already in the fridge, so I just picked up a couple of these. This is a great quick snack to have, especially when you're like, you know, keto or watching calories, sugars, that kind of thing. This is like the opposite of that when you're not watching. It's all about balance. Asa's not a fan of these, but everyone else loves them. Baked beans. So I'm kind of trying to force summer. It is 80 degrees here in Jacksonville today, and we're doing hamburgers and hot dogs on the grill. I'm going to do baked beans and pasta salad for dinner. Mio, you can never have enough Mio, and I don't know, this is the first time I've seen that. Let me know down in the comments. Have you seen these big ones like this? If you're a Mio user, what's your favorite flavor? Mine's fruit punch. Butter, my dad Ralph, is a chef, and he told me you can't go cheap on butter. So Land O'Lakes, that's my go-to, and I like the half sticks. It's easier to use. Beef Franks, Nathan's. We got onto these like I think when Isaiah was playing Pop Warner, and we love them. Hefty quart bags because you need this for all the things. Of course, our Dunkin Coffee. We get the original blend or the breakfast blend. These are like so good. Caitlin, my best friend, got me hooked on the buffalo wing ones. They're really good if you dip them in ranch. We've got some cilantro because I'm going to make some homemade salsa. I've got blackberries. These are good to put in Abby's lunches. They're also really good for cocktails. Strawberries, because, you know, gotta have strawberries. Green onion. I use green onion for a lot. Ham roll-ups, salsa, just to have, like salads, anything. Raspberries. Limes. Again, salsa, guacamole, margaritas. You have to have limes. Now, I always get a lot of comments about using bags. We reuse these bags. We reuse them for dog waste, and we put them in all of our trash cans, like our small trash cans. So we have like an office, a couple bathrooms, so they get recycled, I promise. That's why I save them. And Florida is not strict on that. I know you guys live in a lot of different places where that's super strict. We have apples. This is a great option for Abigail. I like to have those in the fridge for her. She likes the crunch. Bananas. I always throw some kind of fruit in her lunch for her, and then we have it at home. Different kinds of chip options. I've got some burgers. Now, sometimes I will make these from scratch, but I have a lot to get done this afternoon, and so I knew I wasn't going to have time, so we'll just put some seasonings on these pre-made patties, but they're really good. More fruit, pineapple and watermelon. Love to just have that in the fridge. It's easy access, and you're going to make better choices. This is my go-to. When I want something crunchy, pickly, I love some mild okra. It's a great snack, and again, it's not a lot of sugar. So I got 2 jars of that. Some pepperoni. Asa likes to do like meat and cheese for his snacks, or even like if he doesn't have time to eat, he'll grab some of this. Abby loves yogurt. She has yogurt in every lunch, so I always get her like the fat-free or sugar-free. Today they only had fat-free. Creamer. Bacon, because it's bacon. I'm actually going to put that on I will put it on the baked beans, and I will do some fresh bacon and put it on the pasta salad. It's really good. I add cucumbers and tomatoes and feta cheese and stuff. It's so good. More meats. The deli counter is super busy sometimes, especially like on a Friday. So it's kind of nice to have it where you can just go. It's the same brand that they have there, but you don't have to wait in line. Quick and easy chicken breast dip. Mozzarella. These are so good just like this. Or you put some olive oil and Italian seasonings on them. Oh yeah, they're good. No trip to the grocery without Cinnamon Toast Crunch in my cart. And it's usually BOGO, so we love that. The rest of this is just like buns. I didn't get any bread, but just hamburger buns, hot dog buns. I did get a King's Hawaiian round. They don't always have the round one, but there's a really good spinach and artichoke dip that goes amazing in this round tray. So go get that. But that's pretty much all. Milk, just the normal things. I don't know. Is there anything on here that you're like, wow, I would never get that? Let me know. All right, guys, that is it. This is my grocery haul for the week. So thanks so much for hanging out. Hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys.